Welcome back. In this video, we'll explore the first of our 7 widgets, the News Wall Widget. The News Wall Widget makes it easy to display news posts or blog updates on your website, app, or any platform. It comes with a variety of useful settings, customization options, and different styles to help you fine-tune its appearance to match your brand and preferences. All our feeds include a Widgets tab inside the feed overview. Simply click on the Widgets tab, and from there, select the News Wall widget. On this page, you'll see a live preview of how the widget will look. Now let's go over the different ways you can embed it. Click on Add to Website to open embedding options. We support 3 different embedding methods: JavaScript embed, iframe embed with a responsive iframe version of the code, and direct URL. This is useful for digital signage, applications, or broadcasting software like OBS or XSplit. You can also use the URL to share your feed with others so they can open it directly in a browser. We also offer 5 ready-to-use styles for the News Wall widget, allowing you to easily change its appearance. Each style drastically changes the look of the widget, helping you match it seamlessly to your website's design. Additionally, you can customize the widget manually, giving you full control to fine-tune it exactly how you want. Our widget is available in desktop, tablet, and mobile versions. You can edit breakpoints, adjust settings for each platform, and use presets for customization. You can modify card style, number of posts, padding, responsiveness, pagination settings, button styles and colors, and many more. Additionally, our widgets support UTM tags for tracking and custom CSS for even deeper customization. In card customization, you can edit titles, adjust layout settings, description, font size, height, hover, effects, colors, images, add social sharing options, modify borders and time format, add a podcast player for podcast feeds, and change the widget title. We also offer a simple analytics tool where you can track views for your widgets. This was our News Wall widget, fully customizable and built to fit your needs. Try it out. Make it your own, and bring your content to life. If you have any questions or need assistance, just click on the Help Center button in the bottom corner of the screen to reach our support team. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.